Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix the server denied pop3 access error on Gmail. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to your Gmail and just simply select the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, which is the settings, and you should be able to see here the sidebar and just simply select C all settings. So click on this one, and now from here just simply go to the category forwarding and pop IMAP, and from here just simply go to the pop download over here. Just make sure to enable pop for all email, and down below you should be able to have multiple options as well. And after that, you could just simply make sure to click on save changes, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.